how to set Bluetooth to turn off or turn on when airplane mode is turned on. First, let's go back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button on the side again to go into the home screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on airplane mode. Next, scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. If this is disabled, make sure you turn off airplane mode. While in airplane mode, you cannot edit the airplane mode behavior. So we need to switch it off. Then in here, you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth. So now if I turn it on, you can see if I turn on airplane mode, I still can access Bluetooth connectivity. So here we've got Bluetooth connectivity. And if I go into airplane mode and switch it off, then when I turn on airplane mode, Bluetooth is disabled. And that's it. And now if I turn off airplane mode, I can go in Bluetooth and switch it on. So it is turned on now when we turn off airplane mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.